I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Coinbase wallet is a smart move to enhance your security. Here is how you can do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Coinbase Wallet app. Launch the Coinbase Wallet app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the app. This is where you can manage your security options. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Tap on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for 2FA, such as SMS or an authenticator app. I recommend using an authenticator app for better security. Step 5. Confirm and save. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Make sure to save any backup codes provided, as they can help you gain access if you lose your device. Remember, if you choose SMS, ensure your phone number is up to date in your account settings to avoid any access issues later. Setting up 2FA is a crucial step in keeping your assets secure. Happy securing!